If you're over 50 and you find yourself struggling to open a jar or feeling completely drained after a short walk, I want you to listen closely. Most people think that losing muscle, getting achy joints, and feeling tired all the time is just normal aging. But what if I told you that the single most important nutrient for a long, energetic life is completely missing from the diets of 9 out of 10 seniors? It's not calcium, it's not a special vitamin, it's protein. And without enough of it, you are slowly but surely losing your energy, your strength, and your independence. I know what you're thinking. Protein means cooking big steaks or eating endless chicken breasts. And let's be honest, who has the time or the energy for that every single day, especially as we get older? Maybe your appetite isn't what it used to be. Maybe standing at the stove feels like a chore. We get it. You want to feel strong, sleep better, and have the energy to play with the grandkids without spending all day in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to share a simple, no-cook plan that can easily get you the 100 grams of protein your body desperately needs to slow down muscle loss, boost your energy, and add years of active living to your life. This is Wellness Explained Pro, and let's get you strong starting right now. Let's quickly bust a myth. Most health guidelines for young people say you only need about 50 grams of protein. Most people think this number applies to seniors, but it's actually not enough for those of us 50 and over. As you age, your body actually becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat. It's like your muscle cells have slightly weaker batteries. To keep them charged, you need a higher dose. For a senior, aiming for a target of around 100 grams is the best way to fight back against what doctors call sarcopenia, that fancy word for age-related muscle loss. Don't worry about the word, just remember the goal, 100 grams. Think of your muscle like a retirement fund. Every year you have a small mandatory withdrawal. If you don't make a big enough deposit, protein, every day, that fund runs out faster. 100 grams is your daily deposit. Now let's talk about the no-cook part. We are focusing on simple, grab-and-go foods. Things you can find at any grocery store, open and eat. No pots, no pans, just power. Your first task is to get a massive protein hit in the morning. This sets your body up for the whole day. If you skip breakfast or just have toast or cereal, you are starting the day 20 grams behind. And that's a hole that's almost impossible to climb out of later. Our number one no-cook morning hero is Greek yogurt. Not the regular stuff. Get the thick, strained kind. A single cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt can easily deliver 20 to 25 grams of protein. It's creamy, it's versatile, and you don't have to cook a thing. Add a little honey or a handful of frozen berries for flavor. Now here's something even more surprising. Cottage cheese. Many seniors avoid it, but they shouldn't. One single cup of 4% fat cottage cheese packs another 25 to 30 grams. You can eat it with sliced peaches or simply add a pinch of pepper. It's soft, easy to chew, and incredibly high in protein. By eating either or both of these, you've already banked 25 to 50 grams of protein before lunch, and all you did was open a container. I have a viewer, Frank, in Arizona. He used to eat a bowl of sugary cereal every day. He swapped that for a cup of cottage cheese with some canned pineapple. He wrote to me that within 2 weeks his afternoon slump was gone. That's the power of a protein-rich start. So we've nailed the morning. Let's move on to the quickest and easiest protein sources you can keep on hand for lunch and snacks. These are the foods you can stock in your pantry or even keep in a desk drawer. They require absolutely no refrigeration until they're opened. Most people think canned foods are unhealthy, but certain canned and pouched foods are a lifeline for seniors who want high protein without the fuss. Forget the big cans of tuna and the messy can opener. Look for the single-serving tuna or salmon pouches. They often have flavors like lemon pepper or oil and vinegar. A single pouch is usually about 15 to 20 grams of protein, and you can eat it straight from the pouch or put it on a couple of whole grain crackers. This one is a secret weapon. You can buy roasted, shelled edamame, that's the green soybean, in a bag. They are crunchy, salty, and a perfect handful snack. A half-cup serving is usually 10 to 12 grams of protein. Tuna, salmon, and edamame are complete proteins, meaning they have all the building blocks your body needs. They are your quick-fix midday energy boosters. My own grandmother kept a stack of these salmon pouches in her kitchen cupboard. She said it was her emergency strength food. If she felt weak before dinner, she'd grab one. It's that simple. Now we have our morning protein locked in and some grab-and-go snacks. But what if your appetite is low? This next section is the most important for those who struggle to eat big meals. When your stomach doesn't feel like taking a big meal, your best friend is the protein shake. This is where you can sneak in a huge amount of protein in just a few sips. Most seniors avoid protein powder because they think it's just for bodybuilders, but it's actually a medical-grade tool for healthy aging. Your body can digest a liquid protein source much easier and faster than a big slab of meat. It requires less effort from your digestive system, which is a huge plus as we get older. Here is the no-cook 30-gram shake formula. 1 scoop of whey protein. Isolate, or peach soy if you prefer, plant-based. That's 20 to 25 grams. Mix it with 1 cup of skim milk or soy milk. That adds another 8 to 10 grams. Add half a cup of water and blend for 30 seconds. That's 30 to 35 grams of high-quality protein in a smooth, easy drink that tastes great. One of the biggest problems with aging is simply forgetting to eat. This shake is the perfect solution. Keep a scoop of powder and a shaker bottle next to your favorite chair. When you sit down to read the news or watch TV, sip on your shake. It takes minimal effort and keeps your protein engine running. We've covered breakfast, snacks, and the power shake. We are well on our way to 100 grams. Now let's talk about a surprising dinner option that is completely no-cook. Dinner can often be the biggest chore of the day. Our goal here is a plate of high-protein foods that require absolutely zero cooking. Most people think a high-protein dinner has to involve a big roast. But for seniors, a lighter, more digestible protein plate is often better for a good night's sleep. You can buy a dozen already hard-boiled eggs at almost any grocery store. Peel them, slice them, and eat them. 2 large eggs give you about 12 grams of protein. Pick up a small amount of high-quality, lean sliced meat from the deli, things like sliced roast turkey or lean ham. 4 thin slices can give you 10 to 12 grams of protein. Roll them up with a slice of cheese for an extra 5 grams. Keep a bag of pre-cut cheese cubes or string cheese in your fridge. A few ounces of cheddar or mozzarella adds an easy 10 to 15 grams. Put these 3 things on a plate, the eggs, the deli slices, and the cheese. Add a piece of fruit, and you have a completely balanced 35 to 40 gram dinner that took you less than 2 minutes to assemble. By now you can see how easily these numbers add up. If you start with 25 grams at breakfast, have 20 grams in a shake, 15 grams in a snack, and 40 grams for dinner, you've hit your 100-gram goal without ever turning on a stove. This is for those of you who really struggle with appetite or just want a little extra insurance to hit that 100-gram target. We are going to talk about sneaking protein into other foods. Most people think you can only mix protein powder in a shake, but you can use an unflavored powder to boost almost anything you eat. Buy a tub of unflavored collagen peptides or a similar unflavored plain whey protein powder. These dissolve almost perfectly in hot and cold liquids without changing the taste or texture. Stir a scoop into your morning coffee or tea. That's 10 to 20 extra grams instantly. Mix a scoop into your bowl of oatmeal or soup. Blend it into a glass of orange juice or a cup of applesauce. I heard from a viewer in the UK who has a tiny appetite. She now puts a scoop of collagen in her morning tea and a scoop in her favorite nighttime herbal tea. It's her quiet, completely effortless 40-gram boost that helps her maintain her strength without feeling full. This is all about making it easy on yourself. You are not trying to win a bodybuilding competition. You are trying to live a long, strong, and independent life. Here's our hidden secret, the bonus tip for those who stayed with me until the end. This is how you optimize all that protein you're eating for maximum strength gains. We call this the nighttime recovery secret. Before you go to bed, try to have a final, small, 15 to 20 gram protein snack. And the absolute best no-cook option for this is a small bowl of cottage cheese or a protein bar designed for bedtime. While you sleep, your body is in a healing repair state, but it needs fuel. Giving it a source of casein protein, which is the type found in dairy, right before bed, gives your muscles a slow, steady stream of fuel for 7 to 8 hours. This is crucial because it prevents your body from breaking down your existing muscle for energy overnight. It turns your sleep into a muscle-building marathon, not a muscle-wasting fast. Do this, and you will wake up feeling much stronger and more recovered. So let's recap. Getting 100 grams of protein is not about cooking gourmet meals. It's about being smart, being consistent, and focusing on no-cook, accessible foods. Remember, you have all the tools now: the dairy dynamo for your no-cook breakfast, the tuna pouches for an easy, on-the-go lunch, the protein shake for a smooth 30-gram boost, and the nighttime snack to build strength while you sleep. It's never too late to start this journey. Don't worry about yesterday's low-protein choices. Start today. Start with your next meal. A stronger body means a more energetic life, a life where you can travel more, worry less, and spend more quality time with the people you love. You deserve to feel strong, happy, and healthy. If this video helped you feel more capable and gave you the courage to make a change, please don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Explained Pro. We provide simple, science-backed wellness tips to keep you strong, happy, and healthy. Tap the like button and let us know in the comments what's your favorite no-cook protein source. We love to hear your ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.